Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring to you guys a meal prep video on how I meal prep my salmon, chicken, and some other goodies. So the Trader Joe I get is from Trader Joe's. You can get any kind wherever you want. I like it. It's really good and fresh. And typically I get like 3 meals out of this, and it's probably about a pound. What I like to do is let it out for a little bit and let it sit before I actually cook it so it can be room temperature. Then I cut it into 3 pieces depending on the size of the salmon. I do cut it. You can either do it right now or afterwards. I prefer right now just because it's a little easier. I'm gonna season it with pink Himalayan salt, and I get this from Trader Joe's as well. Then I'm gonna do black peppercorns from Trader Joe's. Black pepper, I don't know why I said peppercorns, and some garlic powder. It is very simple, guys. I do not complicate things. This is very easy to make, super simple and super delicious. If you guys do try it, definitely comment below and let me know what you guys think on the taste. I'm gonna season both sides, and you can also season this with lemon pepper. I prefer this way. I haven't done the lemon pepper in a while, so I, recommend that as well. And what I'm gonna do is just season both sides before I put it inside the pan. I use cooking spray oil, guys. I didn't know this, but every oil, even if it's olive oil, has calories. Cooking spray does not. It's a 0 calories. Thank the Lord Jesus that it doesn't. So just spray it. Make sure you spray it good. That way it won't stick to you. Stick to it. And just put your salmon. What I like to do and what I learned was that you cook this for 10 minutes and it comes out perfectly. So you'll do 4 minutes on the bottom, 4 minutes on the top, and then 2 minutes on each side. And it turns out so delicious and just perfectly. Sometimes I do burn it. It happens. I think that, that's what happened right now. So just be very careful and mindful of the pan you also use, because if it gets sticky, and if it does, it's like a non-stick pan, it's preferred. But yeah, 4 minutes on the bottom, 4 minutes on top, then 2 on each side, and it is perfectly cooked. Look how amazing that looks, guys. When I say it's really good, it's super tasty. So there it goes. That's 10 minutes on the salmon, and that's it. Look, 3 meals right there, guys. I think it weighs around like 4 to 5 ounces each. Now this thing is a lifesaver, guys. If you guys do not have an air fryer, I highly suggest and recommend you guys to get one, especially if you guys are meal prepping. I'm doing some broccolini. Typically I like to pan fry this as well with some garlic powder and some pepper. I love broccolini with salmon. It's super good, but I decided to try to air fry it, and it turned out really good as well. I think I did it for about maybe like 6-7 minutes, just depending on how you like your, veggies cooked, but definitely lower temperature. Well, I guess I did 10 minutes. The convenience of an air fryer is so amazing. Right here, I went ahead and chopped some sweet potato, seasoned it with pink salt and some olive oil cooking spray. I don't do this. I just throw them in there and then just shake them up whenever, I kind of do like in between like 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes, I start moving it in there. Try not to overflow it, just so everything can cook evenly, especially because there's sweet potato. But this is so good, guys. I love my air fryer, and it just made my life so much easier. Meal prepping can take time, but this made it so much better. Like I said, you guys do not have to do it like this. When I did do it, that I do it, it's just different. But those are my fries, my salmon, and my broccolini within less than, let's say if we 10, and 20, that's 40 minutes. Then I pan fried my green beans with I seasoned that with olive oil, red pepper, garlic, and that's it. Now my chicken as well, I threw it in the air fryer, seasoned it with pepper, garlic powder, and red pepper flakes. Then my fish, I did the same seasoning, pink salt, garlic powder, and pepper. Guys, that is my go-to seasoning. I swear it's ridiculous. but it all has different flavors because it's all different meats. So I always shake it like this every 5 minutes because I do put it for 400 degrees and also for 20 minutes. The chicken, I do 360 for like around 10 to 12 minutes and keep, switching the chicken, turning it over because it can get dry if you leave it on one side for too long. Look how delicious this looks, guys. These I also get at Trader Joe's. They're chicken tenders. And the Swai, I get it at Safeway, guys. This is like super easy to make as well. I think I do like 10 minutes on the Swai for 360 degrees. And there you go. Everything is so simple and easy to make, guys. Right when everything is cooked, all you got to do is measure, weigh your food, and just put it inside the fridge and then eat it. Everything is so convenient when you meal prep, guys. You guys are gonna love the convenience of it. So I will see you guys in my next video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.